Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about customizing the banner for Spring Boot. Alright, let's jump into this. We're going to go through and create a new Spring Boot project. I use IntelliJ, so let me use that to create my project here. I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to call this SB Banner. I'm going to make this Java. I'm going to make it a Maven project. Group's going to be com.example, Thomas J. Consulting. Artifact SB Banner, JDK 17, Java 17, and I'm making a jar file. Okay, and we'll use the latest Spring Boot 3.2.3. I will go ahead and not select anything other than the web, and I'll add Spring Web. It's the only thing we're going to add in here. Okay, here's our project. The first thing we're going to do is go through and in main, I'm going to go to resources, the application property, and I'm going to add a couple properties in here. I'm going to add a application title. I'm going to set that to SB Banner. And then I'm also going to add a version in here. And I'm going to say 1.0.0. Okay, and that should be everything that we need in the application properties. Now I'm going to go into the resources, and we're going to create a new file in here that's going to be banner.txt. Okay, and in there we're going to create some sort of banner, and I'm going to add some text in here after the banner. But let's go into one of the banner generation sites. You can just Google for them. There's several of them. So here's one site, and in this site I'm going to put a very simple message. I'm going to say Skynet started, and I'll use the soft font, and this is our banner. I will just grab that. We'll close this. We'll go into our banner.txt, and I'll put that in there. I'll add a couple line feeds, and now that should be all we need to start our application. So let's start up the Spring Boot application and see what the log looks like. Okay, now we get our message, Skynet started. So maybe we want to start with a little bit less violent message, and rather than Skynet started, we can just say, hello humans. In any case, we can go back to our banner file, put this text in there, restart our application. Now we get hello humans, and you can play around with it on the different sites to create the banner fonts. There's all sorts of things you can do. You could even go to a terminal and create your favorite banner. So now you know how to create a banner file. Please take a look at my other videos, follow me, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.